let's learn again how to calculate the median of a data set. So we have two data sets here. Data set A contains this number. You notice they are in ascending order, which is helpful for our calculation. We also have data set B, which is also in ascending order, which is also helpful for our calculation. So two data sets are shown. Which statement best compares the median of the data sets? Before I go on, please make sure to like, make sure to share, and make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. It only takes a second and it's helpful for other people who to like. It's helpful for you to like the video so that other people can see this video and like it, and they can learn more and they can improve their SAT math scores. So thank you so much for doing that. All right. So which statement best compares the medians of the data sets? So now let's calculate the median of data set A. Now, how many numbers are in data set A? Let's count. Let me use this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers in data set A. So because there are 6 numbers, the median will be 2 numbers in the middle. The median is the middle number, and the middle number for an even data set is 2 numbers. For an odd numbered data set is just 1 number. So keep that in mind. For an even number, it is 2 numbers. For an even numbered data set, it is 2 numbers that are the middle. So then, and for an odd numbered data set, it is 1 number. So for the first data set A, there are 2 numbers that are going to be the median. So what are those numbers? So let's first start by canceling. Start from the top. Cancel 1 from the front. Cancel 1 from the back. Cancel 1 from the front. Cancel 1 from the back. Leaving 2 numbers, 6 and 6, like we mentioned, because it's an even numbered data set. So what do we do when you have 2 numbers and to calculate the median? You just add those 2 numbers, find the average of those 2 numbers, add those 2 numbers and divide by 2. So that is 6. So the median of data set A is 6. For data set B, how many numbers are in this data set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 is an odd number, which means that for this data set, there's only going to be 1 number in the middle. So what is that number in the middle? Let's calculate that. Let me use another color to differentiate. Take 1 from the front, take 1 from the back, take 1 from the front, take 1 from the back, take 1 from the front, take 1 from the back, leaving 1 number in the middle, and that number is 6. So the median here is 6. So we have the median of data set A and we have the median of data set B. So this can help us find the correct option from A to D. So what are the options? The first one says the median of data set A is greater than the median of data set B. No, 6 is not greater than 6. So that's not true. The median of data set A is less than the median of data set B. No, that's not true. 6 equals to 6. The medians of data sets A and B are equal. That's exactly true. And that's our answer. There's enough information. D is not correct because there is enough information to calculate the medians. We had the information we need and we did that. So the answer to this question is C. Make sure you watch the video on the cards that also talked about a question we discussed on median, so that you can learn from this video and that previous video, and you can know more about how to calculate medians on the SAT. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in part 10.